Hi friends, today I'm going to make a water dispenser for the chicks which I have in my home. So let's see what I need in terms of making this dispenser, the tools, the procedure, everything. First of all, we need plier, a screwdriver, soldering iron and 2 screws with a small nut, glue gun, as well as the lid of the color bucket. After that we need a bottle and a strainer. So let's start friends. This is the lid of the bucket, the color bucket, in which I already have done with hole with this soldering iron. You can see this is the bottle in which I have done with 3 holes with again soldering iron. You can see here you are. Yes, 1 2 3 in the mid of this lid, as well as on the sides of this lid I have done 3 holes. Again, this is the strainer in which via hot knife I have cut the center. Again, this is the lid in which I have kept the glue gun on the screw on the both side, and I have stick that lid with the screwdriver with nut. Now it is not a movable still and it's fixed. Moreover, what I'm going to go with this strainer, I will keep on the upper side of that lid, and I will not stick this strainer on the upper side. It would be free for all the time and it's removable. As you can see, I didn't apply any glue on it. Now finally an empty bottle which I will go for tightening with the lid of this bottle, which I had stick on the header side of that lid of color bucket. Now I did tight, you can see. Now I will fill the water in it. Yes, you can see it. As far as the water filling is concerned, you can see the scale which is marked already. I will fill the water according to the capacity of this bottle. Here you are, I have filled the bottle, and I will suck via syringe few quantity of water, so that you can see that whenever chicks will finish the water, automatically this bottle will release some water to refill the platter. Yes, you can see, here you are. Alright, you can see the water still is there while already had sucked via syringe. Now I am going to put it in this cage, and I don't know that will these chicks accept this or no. No, they are accepting, and how quick they accepted it, I'm amazed. And Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen, they are happy with this and they are drinking the water from it. Alhamdulillah. Thank you very much friends for watching the video, and I expect that you guys will support me in terms of giving me subscription more and more, and in future I will give you another interesting video. Thank you very much.